So the night has finally arrived, and we are here 25 hours ahead of the scheduled time for the bonfire. But before I show you that, I want to give you a bit of context. What you're looking at now is the structure that's on the other beach near the pier. And this is the height of their structure. I'm not quite sure of the height. It's really, really, really windy here today. And then this is the structure of the bonfire nearest to where I live. So here the people are arriving. I was actually surprised at how many people came out tonight. And here you can see some of the fireworks from the other side of the beach. But here comes our structure, and there it is. She's being lit. The people on the inside of the fence are folks that are working the event, people that have volunteered. These guys work tirelessly over the last few days building this structure in extremely windy conditions. It's really cold here, and there was some rain. So it's my first bonfire, and this is pretty magical. I will admit, though, I hate the fact that there was no real countdown, but the firework display was really, really nice. Enjoy. As you can see, they made everyone stand on the left side of the structure because of the direction of the wind that was blowing to ensure that a lot of those embers wouldn't ignite with anything on the other side because there's an inlet there of water. So I thought that the team did a really good job here from a caution standpoint. And soon you'll start to see people leave. And again, you can see that it was quite a few people out here. So a really nice experience. And hopefully next year it'll be done on New Year so we all can sing and click our champagne glasses. Until we talk again, Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.